My class is an entry course into healthcare. It shows you the core of what you need to know in order to move on into the next classes for medical, but it also shows you careers that you might not have known about otherwise. A lot of people think medical and they think nurses and doctors, but there's so much more to medical than that that people don't really think about. So I try to bring people in from our community and also talk about those different careers that you might not know.
Y'all ready? Y'all got everything you need. Go.
I engage them by being excited about it myself. I feel that whenever I'm excited and passionate about what I'm talking about, I could be talking about glue. And as long as I'm excited about it, they're gonna be excited about it too. So they might not know exactly what they want to do or be whenever they get older, but whenever they come to my class, and I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but a lot of them say, oh, I love coming to your class because you like to teach us, you want to teach us, and I do. So I think as long as I'm passionate about whatever I'm teaching that day, they become just as excited as me, or I hope so.
I chose to pursue this because my mom's a nurse, and I've just been seeing this my whole life, so therefore I was interested in this profession.
Last year I did medical terminology and I liked how that went, so I decided to continue with that path. Ever since I started this class, I've been more conscious of just like my overall cleanliness.
With the core skills that we know and that we learn in here as far as foundational skills, it can set you up to do many of our certifications here at the ATC, including CNA, PCT, our pharmacology course, Pharm Tech, and EMT. But it also, if you don't want to do the certification route and you just want to graduate and then go straight into college without a certification, you will at least know foundational skills to get you into the classes that you need to get into in order to go into nursing school or rad tech school or whatever medical route they want to get into. First project we did was about the history of healthcare, so where it started, where it began, who made what, why they made those things, and the progression of medicine that we have today. So they had to make some posters, these are some of them, that they made for the history of healthcare, and then we moved on to legal and ethical issues, and that's what we're working on right now. If you want to pursue a career in medicine, I would suggest to try it out, come to our classes. I am one of the first classes that you would come to. Medterm is the first class in medical, but freshmen take that at their campus, and then they come here for me, and then after me there's patho and anatomy and physiology if you want to move on forward with it. I would suggest to try it out and see if you like it. And usually once you get to my class and go through it, you'll know whether you want to stay or whether you want to change. And whichever you choose, I always tell them it's better to know now. No one will be mad at you if this is not for you, but if it is, this is a great opportunity for you to get a certification for free.